Hi, I'm Carrie from Crafts for Wellbeing, and this is Coffee Break Crafts, which is a quick craft just to get you creative in your coffee break. And today I'm going to show you how to make some gift bags. This is a gift bag made out of some tea dyed paper and a couple of rubber stamps stamped on the front. And this one is made out of a wallpaper sample. And I've added a tag and some handles to this one. I'll show you that a bit later. So all you need to think about when you're getting your piece of paper is that it needs to be 2/3 wider than the gift that you're putting inside and about 1/3 deeper than the gift you're putting inside. So if you're using a pattern paper like I am, we're going to start with the pattern paper face down, and we're going to create a nice fold along the top just so that if you did want to punch some holes in to put some handles on, then we'll make that a nice sort of sturdy edge. So I'm just going to fold it over probably about 1.5 centimeters and give that a nice crease all the way along. And then just to make it extra sturdy, I'm actually going to use some double-sided sticky tape in there and just going to stick that down. I would recommend a nice strong double-sided sticky tape for this project. If you haven't got that though, then glue stick should be fine, and you could, if you needed to reinforce anything, you could reinforce it with sellotape. So I'll just put the glue in here and get that sorted. So once the top edge is glued, what you need to do then is just eyeball where the centre of the paper is, so about here, and you're going to fold this edge over just so it goes probably about 1 centimetre past that centre line, and just try and line up your top edges nice and evenly, and then give a good crease down the side. And then the same with the other side, so this left hand edge wants to be folded over, and again an overlap of about 1 centimetre in the middle, so you've got enough space to put your glue. And again try and get the top edges lined up nicely, and then crease down the side. And now I'm just going to glue that down. So I want glue to go right from the top to the bottom, and then I can fold that over and glue down. Okay, so we're going to put the base in now. So I'm going to think about 1/4 of the way in from the bottom, so probably about here. And I'm just going to fold that bottom edge up, over and crease, and then open it out. And now if you take your fingers on the top edge and the bottom edge and just pull both down towards your desk, you'll see that automatically these two triangles come in from the side. So let's start with the right hand triangle first. You just pop your finger in and make sure that that edge corner is nice and sharp. And then you've got a great guideline here because you'll have a crease line here and then the crease line there, so you just make sure that those match up, and then you can crease the top and bottom of that triangle down. And we'll do the same on the other side. So I'm just going to pop my finger in, just make sure that that corner is nice and sharp, and then press down and get this crease line to match up with this crease line, and then again just sharpen our edges, fold down and crease here. Okay, so we're just going to add the base on now. So I'm going to fold this top edge down, and it's going to come to just about just under this crease line here, so not too far over. So you see I'm just taking it a little bit over there. Okay, and then we're going to do the same for the bottom one, so that just wants to come over, and you want to leave enough room for your double-sided tape so it just overlaps to about the width of your tape. And then I'll pop my tape on here and fold over and glue, and then your gift bag is ready. So just open it out, and there you go. So you can either leave it like this, and when you put your gift in you could just fold over the top and put a little sticker on there or some washi tape, or what you could do with it, as I've done with this bag, is use a hole punch to punch 2 sets of holes in the front and back of the bag, and then use a lovely ribbon or cord as I've done here and just thread through. So you'll start from here, thread through there, into the back, round the back, and then just tie the cord in the middle here so that you can't really see it. And if you want to, you can also add a little gift tag. I've just handmade this and punched a hole in, and that's a great little way to finish off your bag too. So I hope you'll have fun making those gift bags, and if you do, then please let me know how you get on, and I'll see you in another coffee break craft soon. Thanks, bye.